Question number 91. According to Susruta, suitability of specific sneha as per the underlying condition. Gridapana for Vishartha, Tailapana for Krimikoshta, Vasapana for Kleshasaha, Majjapana for Shushkaretha, Swa Aushada, Sadhita Sarpi for all condition. Which one is the correct? Option 4. That is Gridapana for Vishartha, Tailapana for Krimikoshta, and Swa Aushada Sadhita Sarpi for all condition is the right answer. So let's see what are the gunas of who can use these snehas. Grida Rukshakshada Vishartanam Vada Pitta Vikharinam Hina Meta Smridinam Cha Sarpihi Panam Prashasyade. Tailam for Krimikoshta Anila Vishtaha Pravardha Kapha Metasaha Pibeyuhu Taila Satmyascha Tailyam Thardya Artinascha Ye. Okay, now next is Vasa. व्यायामकर्षिताः शुष्करेधोरक्ता महारुचः महा अग्निमारुतप्राणा वसायोग्या नरः स्मृता. And Majja Krura Ashayaha Kleshasaha Vadhartha Deepta Vahnayaha Majjanam Apnuyoho Sarve. Sarve Sarpirva Swa Aushadha Anvitam.